Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Figma to sync components for UI consistency, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma design file. Navigate to the top menu and click on Plugins. Search for the Figma Tokens plugin and install it if you haven't already. Once installed, go back to the file and open the Figma Tokens plugin from the Plugins menu. In the plugin window, locate the Authorize button. Click the Authorize button to establish a connection with your Figma account. You will be redirected to your browser for authorization. Log into your Figma account, if prompted. Review the permissions requested by the plugin. If you agree, click Allow Access to proceed. Return to Figma once authorization is complete. In the Figma Tokens plugin, you should see a notification confirming successful authorization. Now, go to the Components tab in the plugin. Select the components you want to sync for UI consistency. Click on the Sync button to start the synchronization process. Wait for the plugin to finish syncing the selected components. Once completed, check the changes in your design file. Make sure all components are reflecting the intended updates. If any components are not updated, revisit the Components tab and try syncing again. Your components should now maintain consistency across your design. Feel free to adjust any properties or styles as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.